G'day guys, how are we? Today we're going to be making some vodka pasta. I've never heard of it until now, and supposedly it's all over bloody TikTok. But we're going to be making it, and it's going to be yummy. So our ingredients for today are tomato paste, we got some basil, we got some brown onion, some garlic, some pouring cream, some parmesan cheese, and some pasta. Don't know what it is, but it's pasta. And some vodka. So, before we start, you have to make sure the vodka is the real shit. It's real. It's real. Anyway, let's get into it. We've cut up our onion. You only need half an onion if you're going to do one serve, as I'm only doing one serve today. Alright, so we're going to preheat the pan, chuck some water. We're going to cook our pasta first because it'll take the longest, and then should be good. Alright. Okay, so the water is heating and the pan is nice and hot. Add some olive oil. If you don't, you're going to burn your onions, so don't be a dickhead. So, olive oil added in. Put the lid back on if I can. Now, I'm not going to use all these onions because that's too much. Swirl it around. Make it look pretty. Chuck it in. Not bad sizzle, not bad at all. Yeah, that should do it, I think. Okay, so we have glazed our onions. Now we're going to add our garlic, as you can see. I don't know how much you want in there, but just wing it. The more garlic, the better. Okay, the garlic's added. Now, I'm going to pop down the heat a bit. She's a bit hot. We're going to add the tomato paste. Not tomato sauce, tomato paste. Okay? So, add her in there like that. You won't need much. I don't think we do. Now, swirl her around. Pop down the heat nice and slow. Looks a bit shit, but it's my first time. Okay, now we're going to add our vodka. So we're going to deglaze our vodka so you don't walk around the house fucking smashed off your face. So take her off the heat completely. If you need to add more vodka, then add more. The more the merrier. Ooh, that smells funky. Wow. Jesus Christ, people do this? Okay. So cook off. We might add a little bit more. You add about 50 ml of vodka. You can add more. I'm just winging it. So, but should be the right numbers. Okay. So deglaze it off. Get all the flavour in there. Now, our water is ready. So add your pasta in. Now, add your pouring cream. Mix her around. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cook this sauce until it's nice and thick. Then we're going to add our pasta. Not bad. Okay, so our pasta is nicely cooked. Before we get rid of the water, just collect some water, just so we can add it in a little bit later. I've just caught a noodle, my bad. That should be enough. Now, turn off the heat, obviously, and we're going to drain these, and then we're going to chuck it in here. Alright, now, moment of truth. We're going to add the noodles in, or pasta in. Give it a stir. Let's hope it actually turns out alright. Now this is to our best part. We're going to serve up. So, we're going to have parsley, basil, my bad. And we're going to slice that up slicely. We won't need it all. Oh, it smells pretty good, eh? Okay. Here we have it, guys, our pasta. So, it's my first time actually making it. Doesn't look too bad. Let's give it a gaze. Alright. Not bad. That shit's buzzing. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and hope you like it. And yeah, see you next time.